What is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily delete your review on Steam. So of course, we're just going to head over to the Steam web page, but you can also access their application. So from here, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Then next is just click on your profile name or username. Then just click on view my profile. Then just scroll down until you see reviews. Just click on this. From here, you should be able to see a list of your reviews. All you have to do is just click on the review that you want to delete. And under the owner control section, you should be able to see the delete button. Just click on it. Just confirm the deletion of the review by pressing OK. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again in the next one. Bye!